look inside the highly secured JF-17 factory, where precision and secrecy are paramount. The fuselage molds require absolute accuracy. Once the carbon layers are set, the resin infusion system seals the components under vacuum. The integration of the flight displays requires absolute precision, a task handled seamlessly by the automated systems during the initial power tests. Millimeter accuracy is crucial as the cranes guide the canopy into place before the seals engage. Once sealed, the cockpit is combat ready. With millimeter precision, the engine is carefully guided into the airframe, secured by advanced locking mechanisms.
Alignment confirmed on grid 7.
Reading green across the board. Proceeding with lock sequence.
According to the schematic, the primary ducting connects right here.
Yes, that aligns perfectly with the pressure regulation assembly.
Continuity check complete. All indicators are green, confirming full redundancy and reliable power distribution.
Here in the stealth finishing area, automated applicators apply the specialized radar-absorbent coating, ensuring a perfectly uniform texture.
Check the pressure on hydraulic line 3.
In the fuel system testing area, we utilize inert fluids and infrared cameras to scan the surfaces, confirming absolute zero leakage.
Final check on intake covers.
Covers removed. Clear. Thumbs up confirmed.
Spool up authorized.
We're good to go on the fuselage inspection.
Great. I'll finalize the digital sign-off right here.
Congratulations, everyone. This is a proud moment for our nation as the JF-17 is ready for the skies.
Final walk around complete.
Thumbs up confirmed. Ready for transfer.
Keep it slow, watch the wingtips.
Roger!
Hold.
Checklist shows green for avionics.
Roger that. Final inspection on the fuselage is complete.
Avionics initialized. Trim settings checked. Flight controls confirmed. Canopy secure.